really excited for our students to be back here on campus. We've been working since May on our plans to get them back here as safe as possible. So both of our buildings will have a full-time facilities person in the building when students are present, so that they can respond if we need them to any area in the building to make sure that it is clean as possible for our students. In addition, those people know that they're going to be cleaning our high-touch areas often, our doorknobs, our light switches, our handrails, any place that a student would touch during the school day. Our teachers plan to end class a few minutes early during the school day so that they can work with the students to clean during the day. So several times throughout the day, students will be cleaning, again, their workspaces and areas in the classroom. Yes, we have purchased plexiglass specifically in our MYP program for students in levels 6, 7, and 8. As you know, we have our classrooms of the future with big tables in most of the classrooms, and so with that we saw the need right away to have the plexiglass barriers for students so that we could still put comfortably 2 or 3 students at a table, but now they'll have the dividers at each table. I can tell you that every teacher on our staff, myself included, our leadership team, our counselors, we are so excited to see our students. And so in just a few weeks when they are here on campus, we can't wait to see them, we can't wait to interact with them. And while it will look different, and while we'll do that with masks on and being socially distant, we are excited, we are prepared. The 2020-2021 school year is going to be an excellent one.